5 now. No, day 6. Wow. We're just looking at all these. They're amazing.
I'm just so overwhelmed of all those great wagons. They're so nice, really they are. They're so painted, so you know.
Spot on, spot on. We're gonna see them next Saturday, hopefully. We're gonna go to like the parade, the real carnival parade.
So excited!
Because once we're here, we have to do that. Yes. So now we're like just doing more sightseeing here because there are lots of things to do. So yeah.
And today we're going to Sao Paulo overnight.
6 hours bus ride, but anyways, we're gonna see Sao Paulo for 2 days.
I'm gonna see my family there. Yes!
You can now see how they change the times every single minute. That's basically their job.
You see, it was just 14 plus 25.
Yeah, it was like 2:25 p.m. 24 p.m. Now it's 2:25 p.m. Like what?
Hey!
Hello!
We're waiting for the bus to Sao Paulo.
Woo. We are actually in the VIP room now, ready to depart for Sao Paulo, and it's going to be so great. It's just 2 days, right? But still, a little getaway. Now we have almost 12 a.m. and we're gonna leave at 12:15. And yeah, today we just had like awesome sushi
From the China buffet. Actually, it's not real Chinese food, but it's, you know, someone
It
just
still
selling.
counts.
Yeah.
We don't know.
I don't know.
And we just had to walk around through the city center, and that was quite interesting.
And
Hearing about the history.
There was trouble right now up there. This is ours.
Horário 23 horas, 45 minutos de partida na plataforma 49. São Paulo, horário 23 horas.
10 years later, we're back in the game. And we're heading off soon. So we will all see you in Sao Paulo! Yeah. Actually, we're in Sao Paulo, but we're not at the same time.
It's like Chinatown.
We are currently in the Chinese part of Sao Paulo, so we only have like Chinese shops around here.
Yeah.
So as you see, like, so not Brazil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so not Brazil.
Yeah.
Brazil.
Yeah.
I feel a little like different here.
Yeah, we arrived this morning at around 6. It's very early. Lola slept well. I did not. Really either. Like, we did not. Now we're here to discover Sao Paulo a bit. And then later we're gonna hang out with her family because they're our tour guides here. Morning everybody. We're currently waiting for the elevator to go to breakfast sightseeing. Well, first breakfast and then Sao Paulo side. Yeah, we're having like first some breakfast buffet. Oh, are you dating?
Yes.
Oh, I'm just leaving the room now because I leave you to some space.
Sorry.
And then we are heading off to the city center and discover Sao Paulo before we leave tonight. Ooh. We are now at the park Ibirapuera. And it's a massive park with a lot of flowers, trees, and a nice monument from a really famous Brazilian awesome. I've got new glasses because because Lolo's relatives there have actually a shop with a lot of like cosmetics and glasses and phone cases, and yeah, I was like, this is a present for them because we're friends of Lolo, so I was like, oh my god, that's so awesome, because I see so much better through them, and they're awesome. And now we're just having a look and do some shopping. Like, it's nothing we have ever done before. Like, what?
We are now in Sao Paulo in a park, and it's so huge. Everywhere you can see is just green or beautiful, amazing graffiti, or they're selling things.
And they have like a video, like, eu sou rolezeira. They made a video on the TV. They make like, what is rolezeira? And then like the kids try to explain for the TV, like, eu sou rolezeira.
That's what I learned today. Eu sou rolezeira. It's like so awesome, like swag to hang out. So Sao Paulo. Wow. Hey guys, it's currently day 7, 6, 10, whatever. Something over a week, I guess. And currently it's got like over 40, well, it says like 38 degrees, but let's say just stay with 40 degrees. And
Feels like 50.
because, as I said, it's really hot at the moment, and we just want to go into the water. So we couldn't do any sightseeing today. It was just too much. Karine said apparently it's like the hottest day of the year, so we're going to the waterfalls now.
Everyone, they're making, I think, kind of
apple strudel. It's called.
Yeah.
It's a filling of the apple strudel.
The filling.
Wait,
We
for
have-
selling ingredients.
Yeah, we have the dough over there.
Look, nice.
A little bit bigger than before.
Yes.
They're cooking.
For you.
For me.
One and one.
And that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yep. It's hard.
Actually do it with your hands, but I'm not that skilled, maybe.
Yes. There's no space for that too.
Nope.
It's weird.
Hey guys, we are on the beach. As you can see.
Whoa. And it's
currently
dark.
Dark. So it's 1 a.m. The water is still still amazingly warm. Oh yeah, my shoes just got wet, but anyways, so
They're almost floated away.
we are currently somewhere in Rio we've never been to, like a really rich area. But tomorrow's the carnival, so we gotta be prepared. We gotta be prepared.
Yes.
Because tomorrow we also have like our last really day in Rio where we're just gonna
all night long.
we're gonna go see the stairs, we're gonna go shopping, we're gonna go carnival. And on Sunday, unfortunately, like the day after tomorrow, we're gonna leave. So we want to do everything we can still possible here. So that's why we're on the beach barefoot, splashing in the warm water to just enjoy the last really
so
moment.
warm.
Yes. The apple strudel totally failed. Like it didn't work out as we wanted to because the oven wasn't working properly. So like we had the dough, we had the filling, we had everything, but the oven was just old and it was probably damaged. I have no idea. It just wasn't working at all. So I think they have to eat it raw now. And yeah, Lola is just splashing the water and I'm gonna join her now. So see ya tomorrow. The famous stairs. Do they have a name?
Selarón.
Celarón. Okay, those are the Celarón.
There was written there downstairs.
Oh, really? Yeah.
This one is mine.
Ah, yes. Hey guys, you see this? We are finally in the sector 5.
Sector 5.
At the carnival parade. We're so excited. We are just about to go to the seats where we're gonna watch the parade. So
There's so many people here.
it's so crowded. We barely found the entrance because it's so difficult to find it here.
You have to go up and down and up and down.
And it's so hot. Still 27 degrees.
No, never.
Never.
Let's see how the real carnival in Rio is. We're sitting here in Rio, haha, at the airport currently. We checked in our baggage because today is the day we're gonna leave Rio. No, unfortunately.
Don't leave me.
So much love here. Yes, today we slept very long because last night was amazing. I can tell you the carnival was just stunning and so
Stunning.
so great, so awesome. We stayed there until 5 a.m. so you know we had to sleep in a bit, and then yeah, we did nothing more than just sleep and eat on repeat, and then go to the shopping mall. We're soon gonna go to our gate, you know, through security and stuff. Fly to Miami, from there to New York, and from there to Zurich because
That's
YOLO,
life.
that's life. We had an amazing time with Karine. It was just super cool.
Her parents were so cute, really.
She was
so
the best host ever and guide. Like she was amazing.
So yes.
It was a good reunion we had.
Oh yeah. And then later is my turn.
And now it's her turn to come to Austria.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. Yeah. And she will come sooner than later. She promised me.
Sooner. You have to help me there.
Yes.
I depend on her.
You can totally rely. Thank you so much, Karine.
Thank you.
You have to take me.
She's a bae. She's a bae.
Yes, so a bad.
Vai. Quer falar alguma coisa pro vídeo?
And yeah, we head off now, and maybe I will talk to you later, or we will, or maybe not. Maybe we'll see Miami, maybe not. We'll see. Otherwise,
Bye. Subscribe.